this is the process in the Navara of me getting a beer. Generally it goes that down, unlock that, pull that up, pull that up, pull that up. See if I can go diving in here, move everything out of the way, and what have we got today? Whiskey, soda and lime, low sugar, gluten free. Yeah, right. So I get my beer, find my stubby holder, and then I have to pack it up. So that means I do this, and what happens next? The missus says, honey, can you get me a drink? So we know we've got a solution to this for the trolls. I reckon it's going to fit in the Navara and solve all of that problem. Right, I'm in the showroom now. This is the solution I was talking about. So the idea here is we've got a fridge drawer that's in the cabinet. It can come out all the way. All your cans are sitting upright. And of course in a ute they're going to be down here, so I'm not going to have to reach over and look into it. But then I've got time, space to have my table out, make my lunch. You can get different little bits that go in here, so you can get an induction cooktop, chopping board, and then at the back there's a little cabinet here. So again, this is probably where I'm going to put the battery. To give you an idea, the batteries that fit, if I want to go the big option, we can put in one of these 240 lithium from iTech. Also, sold out on here. Usually there's the DCS 110s. That'll fit in the back. It is a U. I could do one of these slimline batteries, but it just seems to make sense to put it in the back of the cabinet there, I reckon. Got some form ply to go underneath, and that's lifted it up just to give me a nice gap under here, so I can get that out all the way now. There's all in. I've got this Victron shunt and gauge, probably going somewhere like that. I think that'll match in well. We're on and running. Well, I'm committed now. I've bolted the inverter in, and if you can see down here, next we're going to fix the fridge to the form ply down here. Now, in the little box of tricks you get a stack of these. So these are nut certs for wood or timber. So I'll drill a bunch of holes underneath here, straight up, put this on the underside, and all the bolts and stuff in here. Although I might need longer ones. Anyway, and then I've got to fix the fridge, well, the whole shebang to the ute. I'm told that the ute lining or the metal sheetwork in these are pretty thin. So what I'm going to do is get another bunch of these nut certs and put them underneath the timber and bolt straight through the floor, so this won't be going anywhere. Bit of a progress update. Inverter's on. I've cabled it up with some zero gauge and condu, and then that power will go into the cabinet with the BCDC. I've got it fused with a 250 amp and the shunt. What's a shunt, you say? That's a thing with a known resistant that goes on the earth, and because you know the resistance and you know the volts, you can work out the current. So I'll have that displaying on a little gauge, and there'll be an app and all that sort of stuff too. By coincidence though, we have another Navara Black Ute here, and this one has got the roller shutter. This is what I was talking about earlier in the video. Basically you press a button and it's like your roller door. It just comes open. So I want to see if the fridge cabinet is going to fit in here with all that busyness at the front. Well, we're here, we might as well try it. And have a look at this, it's going to work a treat. It's going to work perfect. It just comes up to the back. Oh, can't see it there. The back of the roller there. I'm going to go order me one of these roller shutter things, I think. That's awesome. Fast forward to Saturday. I've come in because I can actually get stuff done on my car on a weekend. During the week it's near impossible. This is where I'm up to. Progress shot, what's going on here. That's in. Cabled up to the battery now. Next, we've got to work out what all this DC stuff's about. However, so I've got some fans up here because being in a ute or any car really, it's going to get hot. So those fans need to be switchable. While I'm doing all this work, I might as well make sure I put some other, charging points. So I'm going to put an input somewhere, there maybe, a solar input there if I want to put like a sandwich board, off the yellow wire. And then I was having a look at this. So this is a little charge box we use all the time under floors. Anyway, so it's got cigarette Anderson USBs. So I want to put that somewhere as well. So, you know, kids want to charge their phones, or me, my drone, I can have that somewhere nice and neat. And then I thought there's a switch. Well, I put the switch on the side here. So that's going to have to go around to these wires for the fans under there to keep everything cool. And then I can manually just switch it on. So just got to work out where to put it. Then I thought, I've got to get fuses for all this stuff. So, yeah, went out and thought, oh yeah, you know, the import's going to be, I don't know, 30, 40 amps. So I start using maxi fuses, but then I need a few of them for everything that's going on. Hello, realised we used the well, we called it a battery strap, but this is a universal one. So bus bar that can come straight off the battery, one fuse, and then I can have 6 coming out the other side, and I can mount that. I haven't worked out where yet, but there'll be some sort of convenient location like that maybe, and then I can have it all labelled, and I think that's going to be the easiest solution, and it will look like super neat too. Just running on its own, inverter is working, nice. I've got the charge box around the side, that's all hooked up, and this little switch here is for the fans. Just reach down and do that. USB charging, SIG socket, Ando. This will be solar input, and that will be the Anderson that goes to the BCDC charger to charge everything. Now let's have a look in the back here, because it's pretty busy. I must admit I still have to bolt the battery in somehow, but we'll get to that. BCDC on the side, fuse, shunt to the fridge, and then this will be around to the travel buddy on this side. What I do like, this box now, I could go and throw this in my ute, in a patrol, in multiple cars, in the back of the camper trailer. It's basically a kitchen box to go. I'm pretty chuffed with that. Here we go. Awesome working area. I can't wait one day to like just have a full barramundi being filleted on here. And there's little attachments you can have on the end. I'll show you. So once you get your hands on like this utility frame, there's all sorts of accessories that can go in it. So you can put in an additional chopping board and put the little latches down underneath. Drop-in bucket for doing the dishes. This is from my patrol. Induction cooktop setup. So it goes like this. This clips on. And that come around here. Plugs in. Off we go. Here we go. That comes out. Seeing how we go with the camper trailer on the back. Getting ready for a weekend away. This is what this whole build was for. So I've got power to go away this weekend. That clicks on like that, it's pretty easy. And then plug it into the inverter. Inverter on. I'm glad I'm doing a test run because I've just realised I need one ingredient, a frying pan. I think we are ready. All this stuff, the battery, the fridge cabinet, the fridge and the inverter, you can all get from dashoffroad.com.au. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time on YouTube. Yeah. Right, all this stuff, as in the battery, bloody plane. This way to sit.